Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python on your phone. First, you'll need to download a suitable Python interpreter application from your phone's App Store. Look for apps that offer a complete environment, including a code editor and a console for running your programs. Begin your journey by focusing on fundamental concepts like variables, data types, and basic control flow. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building more complex scripts later on. Consistent practice is key to mastering Python. Dedicate time each day to solving small coding challenges, which helps reinforce what you've learned. Many mobile Python apps include interactive tutorials that guide you through concepts with practical examples. Don't hesitate to consult online documentation and resources when you encounter new functions or modules. This habit will significantly deepen your understanding of the language. Once you grasp the basics, start building small projects. Try creating a simple calculator, a text-based game, or a utility script. This hands-on approach helps solidify your knowledge and shows you how Python can solve real-world problems. Break down larger ideas into smaller, more achievable tasks. As you progress, experiment with various Python libraries to expand your program's capabilities and learn new functionalities. Learning Python on your phone requires consistency. Try to set aside a specific amount of time daily, even if it's just 15 minutes to practice and learn. Engage with online communities and forums. They are excellent places to ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others. Regularly review your own code to understand where you can improve and optimize your solutions. This continuous feedback loop is vital for growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.